Cap?
Can.
Can. Whatever you want to shoot it.
Oh.
Just like that.
That'd do.
See, that's
I'll take this. I'm gonna send one in flight.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see the can's still there.
All right.
I'm gonna back out, see how good of the fireball we see. Oh, I was.
yeah.
This was barely down.
Ain't much fire left.
Oh, look!
Oh yeah.
Oh my God!
The can went straight up in the.
All right.
Didn't fly
yeah.
though.
First shot.
Take the low shot first.
Oh, man, that was a good
Little
one.
flutter.
That was
You got to hit the cap on the bottom.
You want to hit that nozzle in there. Nice fireball.
Yeah, nice fireball.
Oh, there it is.
It went up.
He sent the damn thing again.
Yeah, it went up.
There it goes. A little
There
bit.
you go.
And flame.
Flame. Oh yeah.
Pretty good fireball.
Damn.
Pretty nice bouncer.
Ooh, a little bit.
Another flyer. Here we go.
Wow, this is pretty cool rock.
Yeah, we thought that was a meteor.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
that was a nice one.
It flew.
There he goes again. What the
Flew
hell?
across the yard. We're gonna get a
It was on
flyer.
fire.
There's
Whoa,
one.
there you go.
Kind of a
Hey.
neat one, not very high, but neat.
Oh,
Ah,
got a little air.
bird got a little air.
And got the fire going again.
Oh, nice,
Still no jumper.
nice
But I
explosion
shot
though.
the cap, you know?
I heard a
it,
rattle.
but I didn't see it.
I heard the rattle.
Yeah.
All right, this will be a flyer.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Oh, if it wouldn't have hit the tree, it would have really took
Yeah.
off.
Nice one.
I'm telling you, Ron.
Well, that was a cool one.
That
It was in the air while it was
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
23 years, pretty good at this now.
That was a nice flare.
Oh, there it went. It did go up.
Well, a little ways. Here you go.
Yeah,
Cat
suited
must have
anyway.
melted.
Oh,
There you go.
nice.
Flyer.
Nice. I shot through the box. Like,
Oh.
Oh,
There it goes.
Oh. Oh.
oh yeah.
That was.
there's
Oh,
one.
there you go.
Oh,
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Oh, if it wouldn't have hit.
Oh, yeah.
That was a nice flare.